Hello and welcome to this new video on how to delete Airbnb listings. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first thing that you need to do is open your web browser. In the top of the web browser there will be a search bar. Click on it. Now you just have to type Airbnb and press enter in the keyboard, and the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result, that is Airbnb. Just click on it and the Airbnb interface will be shown to you. So this is the interface that is shown to you when you have logged in and signed up successfully, and when you are inside it, you just have to look on the top right hand side. There will be switch to hosting text. So you just have to click on it and you will be switched to hosting. And when you are inside the host dashboard, you just have to look on the top navigation bar, and in the middle there will be listings. So you just have to click on the listings and there will be list of the listings that you have added previously. And in order to delete the listing, you just have to click on the listing and a pop-up notification box will appear, and there will be two different options, that is edit listing and remove listing. And in order to delete the listing, you just have to click on the remove listing and you just have to click on another button, that is yes remove, and your listing will be deleted successfully. So this is how you can easily delete Airbnb listing. So if it was helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.